Oh, fish on. That's a big one. Fish on. Nice one. Oh, don't lose it. That's a big. Oh, fish on. Oh, that's big. That's big. Oh, fish on. If I got stuck at that tree, gonna be a problem. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. This one though. I can feel them. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Combo Fishing USA. Today I'm back at the same spot, at the same lake, and I'm going to target largemouth bass using Whopper Plopper 90. They're gonna be starting soon. I don't know what time, but I will be fishing in the rain for bass. Okay, so I'm gonna be walking from spot to spot and hoping that they will bite. Okay, and thank you, and stay tuned. Let's go catch some bass. See, this spot always bite. Jump in there. Oh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, really hook. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Really hook. Really hook. Keep jumping for the best bass bait all down there, guys. In the rain. Look at this. Just walk around, around. Boom, one. Around, boom, one. Okay. So. Whopper plopper. Boom. Okay. Let it go back, guys. Boom. See water floating here? Damn. Second time on a safe spot, guy. So, try one more time. Come on, big pop like last time. I'm gonna be happy, man. Ah, it's raining it again. Oop, see? That's a big one, guy. Missed it. I don't know where how long they chase it. Sometimes they come back for more. But do something different, okay? Like this. Got him this time. Not that big guy, but see that? Told him you gotta do something different to make them bite. Yeah. All right, so Whopper Plopper, guys. Okay. In place there. Okay. Oh. Oh, fish on. Whew. That's not a big guy. See, you know, especially at this time of the year, I might catch only maybe around 13-14 inches. Okay, that's probably the biggest for now, but at least I can catch something there. Okay, that's all I can say. And miss a couple and land couple, that's all. And to be honest with you, I hate this hook so bad. Okay, honest with you, because sometimes they chase it over there from another part, from the deep part there. Just stay still. So I can get you out here quick. Oh, no, 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 no. Shoot, see guys. Whew. Freak me out. Oh, stop. Bob Plopper did the job, guy, okay? It's about Plopper. Here you go. Hoping good. Ooh, scared the hell out of me. You know why? Because if I got stuck in that tree, gonna be a problem. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one, this one though. I can feel them, okay? Ooh, shoot. That's about 5 pounder. Ooh, scared the shit out of me, man. That's big. I don't know what it is, but it's big. They're not biting me, okay? That's a big bass though. Whew. This is big. Oh, fish on. Oh, that's big. That's big. That's big. That is a big guy. That is big. That is big, guy. Oh, that's big. That's big. Ooh. Jet, what come here? Oh, I lost another one like that. Maybe they just popped a spot right there, I think. Ooh, see that? Close call. All right, let's bring it to the family real quick, guy. Hopefully I don't kill him. It's okay though. It's stay still, stay still. Turn like I catch a big one, but still big though. Here you go. Woohoo! Slowly. Whew.